Okay, we're sing really fast.
I'm going to see your two.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beau. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
Oh, yummy.
Eat it. Eat it. That's your cake. Get it. There. You're being so careful.
I know. It's okay to be messy.
Get it. Vegan. You like it. You're being like Diana was when she was.
Like that. That was good. That was good.
That was Oh my. Yum.
Take a bite, Mom.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Can I have a bite?
Can Papa have a bite?
Give Papa a taste.
Wait, all right.
You gonna play with it, or are you gonna eat it, or what? That's
They call him Sugar Baby. They call him Sugar Baby.
Yummy.
Sugar Baby.
Yummy. It's like, what you was doing?
I know.
You trying to eat it?
I can't see for any of my name. But then your grandma way.
Oh, she's.
I just kidding.
Hey, Paul. That's all frosty.
Oh, that's sweet too. That's sweet frosty.
Wait, Mama, put it down for a second.
You can tell he doesn't mind.
Yeah, it's sweet
Oh,
frosty.
look.
You like me, Papa? Always putting sugars.
Oh, I think this is a fun part, though. We get to watch you make mess.
You want to share it?
Like,
Everybody.
Everybody come.
yeah, he's like, this is weird.
Like awkward moment.
He said that tomorrow you're going to get on to him.
I know. I was the one I opened. Now you're getting a cake. That's good stuff, huh? That's good stuff. You're not having any trouble?
No, he is expert.
I was wondering how he'd do.
I know.
Yeah.
I remember when she was a baby. I don't know if you remember Kristen's mom. Would she take her finger like,
Yeah.
and she grinned? Keep doing it.
Oh, that's good.
Brittany, you were like,
Beau, can Sissy have a taste? Can Sissy have a taste? Give Sissy a bite. Give Sissy a bite.
Just turn it
oh, that's so nice.
That's
Thank you.